How to use Evernote Web Clipper extension for browsers. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Evernote Web Clipper extension for browsers. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to go to your web browser, and then in your web browser, type out Chrome Web Store. Alright, Chrome Web Store, and search for it. Once you've gotten it, click on Web Store, and in the web store, in the search bar where you see search extension and themes, type out Evernote Web Clipper. Alright, and search for it. Once you've gotten it, you can see the clipper here. Click on it, and once you click on it, by the right side of the screen where you can see remove from Chrome, for me you would see add to Chrome. All right, it is displaying remove from Chrome because I have it saved already. And then once you click add to Chrome, it will be added to you. It will be added as an extension to your Chrome, so you can decide to pin it to your page here if you want to, or you may not if you don't want to. And then once you've done this, the next thing for you to do is to go to the page or the web page that you want to clip. All right, so for example, you can just search out a web page, and then once you're on the web page that you want to clip, go to the top right corner of the screen where your web clipper extension is located, and click on it. Once you click on it, it will load, and then just underneath the you will see in the search bar, you'll see the web page, title of the web page, which is outsmart for me, and then you see the option save clip. You will see the option that is to save the article. You can see multi select. All right, so let's go back. Okay, that's not what we want. Let's click on it again. It's loading, and then you can see multi select. You can see simplified article. You can see full page, bookmark, screenshot. You can see where it will save to. You can add tags or tag if you want to. So this shows the number of things that you can do using the Evernote web clipper extension. All right, so if you want to save this clip, all you need to do is just to click on save clip, and then the clip will be saved to your notebook or your Evernote account. It is that simple. Okay, so this is how you can use Evernote Web Clipper extension for browsers. Note that this works for all browsers, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, etc. Just ensure you download and install the extension. In the search bar, type out the web page that you want, click on Save Clip, and the clip will be saved to your Evernote account. If you encounter something like this, try it again by clicking on Copy Logs, and make sure and keep on trying until it is saved. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.